Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.0 on Oracle Linux 10. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website. It is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 18. Click on download or download, both are same. Then select operating system family as Linux, then select Linux distribution as Red Hat, Rocky or Alma Linux. Then scroll down, then select the version. See here we have the PostgreSQL Server versions from 13 to 18. The 18 is the latest one. Select it, then select the platform. Select Red Hat, Rocky, Alma Linux or Oracle Linux 10. If you are on 9, select 9. Okay, then select the architecture from this list. Then once you selected these options, it populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed to install PostgreSQL Server 18. Okay, open terminal. Then run these commands one by one. First, this will install repository RPM. Paste it, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. It is done. Now disable if there are any inbuilt PostgreSQL Server modules, built-in modules. It is done. Control A. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 18-server. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL Server 18 and these dependencies. Type for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now initiate database by running this command. Paste it, hit enter. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -18. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL Server is installed but it is not started. So start it and enable it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -18. Now enable it. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL Server is active and running and it is enabled. And also see here the PIDs for the PostgreSQL services like data directory, logger, IO worker, checkpointer, background writer, wall writer, auto vacuum launcher and replication launcher. This is the data directory. Okay, Q to quit, control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres psql. See, we have successfully connected in there. See, this is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server. It is psql client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL Server 18. Okay, control A. Now the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for superuser, that is Postgres /cu. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having superuser privileges. Or we can get the list of the users by running select username from pg_user. See, we got the same. Now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password, then provide the password. We have successfully set the password for Postgres user. Now verify list of databases. \l. The commands that starts with / are called as meta commands. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. You can also get the same by running select dat name from pg_database. See, you got the same. Now create database. Create database. Now verify the same. See, we have created database bank, and this is one of the database. Quit control it. Now switch to this database by using \c or connect either is same, then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now if I stop table, see, you don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table. See, we have created table customer in public schema. This is the one of the table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now create user. Create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, that is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. To exit, we have to use the \q. psql -h means host name, localhost, because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. -u must be caps. Then username is David. -d means database. Then provide database name. Then provide the password. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server 18 with the user David. Okay, now try to access the database that you have created. See, you are now connected to database bank as user David. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission denied for table customer because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Now exit. To exit, we have to use the \q. Then now we will see how to start and restart PostgreSQL Server 18 on Oracle Linux 10. We can't stop or start with this Postgres user. That's why I have exited. Now run sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL -18. If you don't give the version, it won't work. See, service not found. Okay, so we have to give version number. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. Quit control L. Now you can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres psql. See, you are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So start it. Exit from the current user. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -18. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started 3 seconds ago. Quit. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL -18. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is restarted. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres psql. Now find the location of config files, data and log directories. So config_file. See, this file contains, see, this PostgreSQL.conf file contains server level configuration parameters. If you want to find the HBA file, show HBA_file. See, both are in the same directory. If you want to find the log, if you want to find the data directory, show data_directory. In the same way, log directory, just give log_directory. Okay, now exit. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using psql client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or dbeaver. Those are the most popular tools. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 18 version on Oracle Linux 10. Okay, for more PostgreSQL or Oracle Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.